All right, so today I have Pedialyte with immune support. Now, this is an electrolyte powder made by Pedialyte. It is a fairly new product, as they're saying, of course, made by Abbott. They say it's the number one doctor recommended brand for hydration. And I'm trying to stay hydrated, and this has the addition of zinc and vitamin C. And it says right here with 33% more electrolytes. So I'm really excited about trying these out. This one right here is mixed berry, and I have in my right hand, fruit punch. So you have two different types, two different flavors of the Pedialyte with immune support plus zinc and vitamin C and other key nutrients. So that's important to know. I'm going to take a look on the side and the back of the box about the key nutrients that they're talking about. Now, which with each packet that comes in here, it has a total of 40 calories and 0 grams of fat, and has sodium, of course, because that is part of the electrolyte rebalancing that Pedialyte does. The sodium, fiber, that's a surprise right there. I was surprised to see that there is any fiber in there. There is sugar in there. That's where we get the 40 calories from. No protein. And here's potassium coming in at 370 milligrams per serving. And of course, the zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, and chloride. So let's take a look at the back before we actually get to sampling this out and seeing what it has to offer. Now, on the side, it talks about the 4 key nutrients for immune support, which are zinc, vitamin C, vitamin B12, and vitamin E. And it says what they all do. You're probably wondering, what does zinc do? And according to Pedialyte, it builds new immune cells. Vitamin C promotes cell health. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see this. I'm afraid that you're not seeing all of this in its entirety. Vitamin B12, it helps activate immune cells. And vitamin E supports cell membranes. So those are the 4 key nutrients that are in here that they're talking about. And right here it says the electrolyte sodium in Pedialyte compared to common beverages. And on the back, they're just comparing Pedialyte to various other beverages. Pedialyte Immune Support, they're comparing it to Pedialyte Advanced Care Plus, and they have the same amount of electrolytes in there. And then you have Pedialyte down here and Pedialyte Advanced Care, which have slightly less, but all 4 of these products that Pedialyte makes actually has more electrolytes than soda, sports drink, apple juice, and even water. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, but it's one thing to notice that when you get dehydrated, some of the causes as to why you become dehydrated, they state down here 4 reasons that people become dehydrated on a daily basis, and 1 is vomiting and diarrhea, 2, heat exhaustion, 3, intense exercise, and 4, travel. All right, so let's go ahead and get these into a cup, and I'm going to taste them and let you know how it goes. So the directions for this, it says there are some warnings on here. Make sure you read those. I'm not going to go into those, but before you use this product, if you get this product, read the warnings and abide by them. But the directions for using this, you mix 1 packet of Pedialyte powder with 12 fluid ounces of water only. So don't try to mix this with any juice, any pop, any soda, anything like that. Do not mix this. They give you an option. You can stir or shake to dissolve. Okay, so if you feel like James Bond and you want to shake it and not stir it, you can go ahead and do that. It says it tastes best served cold. So you can probably add some ice cubes to it afterwards, and it'll be a cold beverage for you. Now, it says how to drink this. They talk about begin with small, frequent sips every 15 minutes, increasing serving size as tolerated. Continue to use for as long as symptoms are present. To maintain proper hydration, 2 to 4 servings or 32 to 64 fluid ounces of Pedialyte may be needed per day. Consult a doctor if vomiting, fever, or diarrhea continues beyond 24 hours or if consumption needs are greater than 2 liters, which is equivalent to 64 ounces, fluid ounces per day. Talks about storing and the number to call for comments or questions. You can go ahead and read that, but I'm going to get started. And I'm trying to decide which one that am I trying to try out first. We have the fruit punch and we also have the mixed berry. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the mixed berry for the first trial taste to see how well it tastes. Now, I do not have a glass that is 16 ounces. So in order to make up for that, I'm going to use a glass that is 8 ounces and half of the packet when I'm making this. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to go ahead and pour some water inside of my glass. And it's going to be roughly 8 ounces. All right, so I have the water in the glass. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take the packet. Now, it's a nice looking packet. You can throw it in a bag. Keep it with you. Very discreet. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the mixed berry. The side, it opens up fairly easily. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to kind of measure this by guessing what is half of the packet. All right, so I'm going to pour half of the packet in here because I have 8 ounces and not 16 ounces. And for the sake of the video, I'm just going to do half of the packet or 8 ounces because this is all I have. So this is the mixed berry. It comes out like cotton candy-ish type of color. You can definitely smell the fruit smell from the mixed berry right away. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir this up. All right, so I stirred it up with my spoon. It looks like it has dissolved. Now, the directions are to sip this slowly. It says begin with small, frequent sips every 15 minutes, increasing serving size as tolerated. Now, for the sake of the video and because I only have one glass, I'm not going to abide by sipping slow for 15. So just because I'm not doing this doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. You should go with what the label says before taking this product. Consult your physician before taking any product. And I'm going to go ahead and sip this. This is the mixed berry. I'll take a small sip first to let you know how it is, and then probably going to have to consume all of this. So let me go ahead and taste this. It tastes very good. Slightly sweet, only because I'm not used to drinking sweet drinks. So it slightly tastes sweet, but it's not overwhelming, not overpowering, not too sweet. Let me go ahead and take another taste of this. Definitely tastes the fruitiness flavor. It doesn't taste like any fruit that I can think of, whatever mixed berry is. Maybe it's a combination of so many berries. Maybe a hint of raspberry, but it doesn't remind me of any fruit. It just tastes like a flavored drink, fruit-flavored drink, a fruit-flavored drink that doesn't taste like fruit, but it's good. The texture of it is very smooth, and I'm assuming that's because of the electrolytes is making it that type of texture. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and I'm going to try out the fruit punch flavor. So let me go ahead and finish this. All right. So this was good. Very refreshing, very thirst quenching, and I like it. I want to see how it tastes compared to the fruit punch flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and pull out the fruit punch flavor. And here it is. And just like the last glass of Pedialyte that I made, I am only making about 8 ounces because of the size constraints. Alright, so I have this, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm just going to pour in half of the sachet, or half of the pack, into the glass. So go ahead and pour this half of it in the glass. Just like that. So I have half of it in the glass. Maybe a little bit more. It definitely smells fruit punchy. And I'm not exactly sure what fruit punch is. What is fruit punch? Fruit punch? What flavor is that? Not exactly sure, but it's in there. And it comes out as very bright orange. Just like, I'm not sure what fruit is like this. Perhaps an orange, but an orange isn't this bright. So I stirred this up, and now it's dissolved. And I'm going to go ahead and try this out. So this is fruit punch flavor. For some reason, it tastes slightly sweeter than the mixed berry flavor, and I'm not exactly sure, but it could be because I poured a little bit more than the quantity required for 8 ounces of making this. That could be one of the reasons, but it tastes slightly sweeter. I think I'm more of a fan of the mixed berry, but I can take another taste and I can let you know after that. Yes, I am definitely more of a fan of the mixed berry flavor than I am the fruit punch, but they both are pleasantly good. Both of them, they're not bad, but I just prefer the mixed berry over the fruit punch. They're good. I like them, and the main purpose of taking this is to become rehydrated, get away from being dehydrated, and I've taken this. So this is the Pedialyte with immune support, which includes zinc and vitamin C and other key nutrients. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.